Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I introduce you to the next vehicle from the Factory Fresh series, number 1 of 5, and that is the Porsche 911 Carrera T. In a, as you can see here, very gray color. I think on the picture here in the background it almost looks more silver. But I'd say the Hot Wheels model now looks rather gray. Here with the Hot Wheels logo, where normally, I think, there is a Porsche lettering. It says Hot Wheels. I think it's very cool. That's why we have the 911 back here. Carrera T printed on it, and the number is also printed with FPY 86. That's very interesting. I have no idea what that stands for. Maybe someone can help me with what FPY 86 is for. Here also with the two tailpipes. That looks very cool. The front is very typical of Porsche with these headlights. Closed roof. I think it's also a closed vehicle. Maybe there will be a convertible. I'm not the Porsche savvy type. Well, I'm not a big Porsche fan, so I can't say too much about it. Here in the front with the Porsche logo definitely looks very cool. They managed it very well there again. A very nice model, I think. As I said, from the color and so is not very conspicuous, I would say. Rather inconspicuous in this gray color. This Hot Wheels logo on the side. So there are not many prints that stand out here now. Except of course for the back with the license plate. I think that's very cool. And I'll give you some more data about the vehicle. The car has been available from Porsche since 2018. Has a Biturbo boxer engine with 3 liters and a 7-speed manual transmission, which is interesting. 0 on 100 in approximate 4.5 seconds, which doesn't necessarily uproot trees, I would say. Almost every Tesla is faster and has a top speed of 295 km/h. That's something to be proud of. But it's not exactly the fastest you can get on the market right now. By the way, it is a 6-cylinder boxer engine. Okay, then we've ticked that off. 0 to 100, to be exact, 4.3 seconds. It's possible. 394 horsepower. Great. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and then see you next time. Bye.